two of the long, like
Everything's overflowing. Hate it when my doubts and my
they pour a
fears
little bit of oil.
swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could.
This is what I'll be using for the back of my sewing machine. Two of this one we are not expensive like the first one I showed you. I'm not ready yet to spend that much for this place. I'll definitely get them when I'll be returning back to Ghana, because that cotton now in Ghana, it will be like almost 1,000. That one here, and here is just 250 Guinea franc. I didn't plan to spend that much. I've already do my budget. So, and those ones, they are very nice to let me stand up. It has the all already. I love the style. It's very long, like it's kind of, it's very long. And this is the style at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. For the bedside, this is what I grabbed. It will become material, but this material is original. This one is not that original. The printing and everything. And this is, yeah, this is how it's looking like, and it's very big as well. So this is what I'll be using for the back of my bed, and it actually matches my bed sheet. I said it, I bought two polish yesterday, red and white. This is the only polish I've been seeing here, red and maroon, but yesterday God be so good. This white, I love to use white polish on my toes. The flower, they don't have the strip one like the one I was using, but I'm trying to come up with something like to do a little DIY. I will find something, you guys know me already. So just left with the rope. There is so many nail hole on the wall, as you guys can see. I need to cover them up with the curtain. You guys, I don't have everything yet, but I'm really trying to make it work. Yeah, so I don't know, I am tired today and I am starving. I have those huge chicken. I wanted to make spaghetti, but I'm cooking rice, like oil rice, then with the chicken, everything. With some
Hate it
like
when my
jollof.
doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire.
So that. I'll put it under the sun tomorrow when it is sunny. I am done with the rice. Let's try it out. It tastes so good. I tell you guys, this bowl is fine for to eat anything. Like you can put anything in this bowl. It's a plastic bowl though, but I just love the way it tastes. It's so hot right now. I need to let it cool for a while. They're not running after me. This is my first food though. Let me watch the time. I don't know the word I should use. I don't know if I'm having anxiety issue, because since I bought this machine, I don't have appetite to eat. Guys, seriously, this is so funny. Since I bought this machine, I don't have appetite to eat. I don't know the joy, like everything. The joy, eh? The guy that came and watched this machine for me, he actually said this machine is very good. I pray for more customers by the grace of God. Guys, pray for me, okay? And if you guys want to be seeing sewing project, let me know. I'll be including it on my vlog. Let me finish eating, then I'll get back to you guys. I need to cover my rice today. I don't even know what, I don't have much to do, because yesterday I packed the room and clean, and also I make a little space. I just, where the sewing machine was, I just did something DIY, but I need to find a beautiful cover. I will show you guys. Now I just need to buy a floor mat because there is no mat right now. It's just the bare cement I'm working on. Yeah, the mat is expensive, and if I'm going, unless I leave it here, I don't want to spend. Keep falling down where the thread is supposed to be. It's supposed to be here. So I have this screw here. I don't have armor, so this is what's on. I bought this fabric yesterday as well in the market, but I forgot to show you guys. I bought 1 yard. I want to sew something short, like a mini dress. Yeah, so that was the plan, and I've already started sewing it. Like I've cut it out and joined the front side. But you guys don't worry. If you want to be seeing sewing project on my channel, please let me know. Okay. I'll end it like this and put rope inside. It's a short dress, but down here I will do something like gathers. I have leftover fabric here. I've already measured it already. I'll talk to you guys when I cleared my phone, okay? It's not that long I wake up though. Now my memory is full, insufficient storage space. So yeah, I'm trying to still learn how to pedal this. You guys know this was not the sewing machine I have before, so it's like heavy on it likes heavy. I don't know if because of the seats, but somebody promised me stool, like the normal stool that I will be using to sew. Yeah, finger crossed. Talk to you guys later. Hey my loves, I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly today. The weather is so gloomy. It was raining heavily last night, like heavily. So I showed you guys this beautiful pink cup I grabbed the last time when we went to market. I don't know, I don't like to leave my Lipton in till I am ready to drink it. I just like to dip it in it like this and remove it, because I find out that anytime I do it like this, whenever I'm done drinking, I don't know, I'll be feeling some way be that I don't understand though, but yeah, I have already sew it like this because it didn't come with this. This one is like a bed sheet, I'm sure, right? This is, but because of it's slippery, I don't know, I can't sleep on this. It's so slippery. I'll be going to the store to find the rope I really want. To find the rope that I really want to use, and later I need to fix up this place. I'm feeling so lazy, I don't know. I've been keeping my lip gloss here because I've been spending a lot of time. And let me show you guys what because we are testing the sewing machine. You know, I have not used this type sewing machine yet, and the pedaling is different than the previous sewing machine. The pedal side is kind of heavy for me. Then I challenged myself. I bought this fabric. I think I've showed you guys already. So I have the same style, but the first time I saw it, I did a mistake. Now I decided to the front side supposed to be bigger than the back, because the previous dress my boobs were showing, but this one is okay. I don't know when I'll wear this though, because here you don't have anywhere to go. So this is how the dress looks like, and the down gathers. I've not ended this side yet. This is how the dress is. It's so beautiful. Since yesterday evening to now, I am now getting used to the pedaling. Like I have to turn this. This is what you need to be working with frequently. My tea is getting cold, guys. I'll talk to you later, okay? As I was just passing, I saw my neighbor baking bread. This is literally how they do it. So this is the dough flour, and they'll put it in the pot. I think they pour a little bit of oil, then it will just rise like this. This is how he's doing it. One already. It's very hot. That's sugar.
Fine.
It's fine. That sugar is sweet. I think it's finished. Yeah. We usually bake it in that pot. I thought that is what she was about to do, but she said she's finished. I think she'll fry cake again. This idea, I need somebody who is taller than me. I'm going to find someone. This out here is looking. This sound is looking. I think I should have joined it before I hang it, or maybe I'll find something like very light, transparent, so that I can put it in the middle. For now, let it just be like this, even though I am not 100% okay, but I don't have a choice for now. It is like this. Like, I wanted it to come really down on the floor, and I don't know if I actually like it like this. I was thinking, why won't I use this again for my window? Because my window don't have any curtain, my door don't have any curtain, so I can use this one for window curtain from the window and door. Then for the window and the door, then I can now find something light like plain white. Then I will decorate it now with flower. I really don't like it. One thing about me, if something is not going to well to the way I want it, or it will show on my energy, but let me just manage it for now. Let it not be like the person just wastes this energy and effort. Yeah, let it just be here. It will be here till tomorrow, maybe in the evening. I will change my mind. I can't even try to remove this because my hair is looking so unkept. It is the, oh god, this is my first food for today. It is almost 11 o'clock. I cooked potato leaf stew with white rice. And later, I have the mango I bought since Friday when we went to market.